So, welcome to another round, round number 3. I will try to improve in the programming. The method which I choose was to train typing for 5 minutes, seen here the timer, and then do the programming exercise or developing application or whatever for 25 minutes. So very simple, and it helps me keep track if I am slacking during the day or not. So let's just get into it. I keep track of my typing. Last to my personal main thing which I'm looking at is the error rate of my typing. The personal best is 2%. So, and I got really close for the last two tries, 3 and 3%. So let's try to improve that. Where's the, here it is. Okay. So we go to next. I will start a timer. Oh. Oh. What is the result? 3% again. That's awesome. And 41. So, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go. That's very nice. Okay. So 341. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. So I'll stop the timer and we'll do the Java thingy. And we are doing events, apparently. Start the timer. This one. Oh, really? Thank you. Maybe the sounds of the birds helps. I don't know. State of an object. Change in the state of an object. Clicking on a button, moving the mouse, entering characters through keyboard, selecting an item from the list. Sure. Types of event. Foreground, background. Direct interaction of the user. Okay. Background. These sequences require the interaction of the end user. Direct interaction of the user, and these require the interaction of the end user. What? Creating. Is there missing like no keyword? Yeah, background events does not require the user in action. There's so many sources online which you can learn from. It's amazing. $20 years old, yeah. And well, oh yeah, the spring is like 18 years old, right? 2012, so 13 maybe. Yeah. And there's like a lot of. I was also thinking about writing my own tutorial, you know, to kind of set the understanding better. Because I found like if I explain some shit to another one, it kind of changes even like how I understand it, or somehow I find some holes in my knowledge, you know, like maybe I thought I understand that, but in the moment when I start to explaining it, it turns out I kind of understood it, but not really. Operating system, hardware, software failure, timer expiration. Event handling. This mechanism has a code. An event occurs. You got a new match, Tinder. Okay, cool. I have like, dude, I have like, now I opened the Tinder application. I have like 178 matches. That's that's fucking ridiculous. Yeah, but most of them are some bots, which won't sell me some bullshit, probably. Focus. Java uses the delegation event model to handle the events. This model defines the standard mechanism to generate and handle the events. Delegation events model has the following key participants: source and listener. Oh, fuck. Someone is calling me. That was a mistake. Someone wanted to inspect my windows. Like the physical windows. You have to develop some listener interfaces. 4 guests on public apps are called. Yeah, so I do understand it, but how come? Okay. Hey, Jinkern. Hey, outline son. Hey, Lord. I heard you had some conversation with Daruchia on if Python should be allowed or not. They outline something. Who outlines? Oh, so like these outline something. Outline some public abstract. Ah, okay. He does. It's almost as he likes. You know, like I really like this saying, and that is like there are languages which people complain about, and then you have languages which no one uses. Those are those two categories. Hex is great. I don't know what is Hex. What is the main selling point of Hex? Oh, hi, I like this. I like this. This is nice. This is nice. It's like candy. That's like even just looking at it, I feel good. This is awesome. I like this. I really like this. In Java, you maybe can do and we would have a array is of no. We will do list of, then we have this, and here we will have a function. So take that and that, and it will take x or maybe ints stream dot range 0 10 dot collect how do I fucking oh, same Xargoy compression. For example, there's a program called AutoKey, which is also hotkey but cross-platform, but it has problem that you can only write scripts in Python. So I'm very expanding sense. How nice. Read my message, professional grade beginner. Which one? I read that, read that. Well, you just read. Alright, good. But still, how the fuck can I, like, I wanna... This I should know. Oh. Okay. And why is that? Okay, so we can do boxed collectors to list. Okay, so this is how we do it. And this is still not it. Let's say I want to oh, you can do that. So that's pfft, look at that. Look at that. So I do I can okay. And this will be in stream 0 to 10. Oh, I wanted to fuck that range 0 10 to array. Look at that. Oh, this will, yeah, of course, of course, of course. And of course, I know, I know. Yes, this is what I want. Here we go. You can do this in Java. It's kind of like, wow. So that's cool. So array is a terminated or short circuit or whatever. I don't remember how they named that. Yeah, but the thing is, like, what I was searching for is, like, I really liked how you can initiate this thing, right? So it's, well, yeah, it's, I do agree it is not as nice as it is in here, but at least I know how to do something a little bit similar, and this would be oh fuck, what happened? Insert. So to do the same thing, so it is to 100, okay. So range 100, and we want range closed to include the 100. And here I do filter, and we will do x and x. What do we want? We want even? Yeah, we want even, so it will be x divisible by 2. 2 equals 0. Here we go to array, and now I can do that. Yeah, and we have even numbers, and yeah, I do agree it's not as nice, but look at me. I know how to do this shit now. That's progress. That's progress. But I didn't know how to do it like a week ago, or maybe two. Well, maybe I can put it into my to-do list, but until I get paying job, all of these fun things will be put aside. So I do Java, Spring, JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular, or React, one of those. Get a job in that, and then I can learn whatever. Ouch, ouch. You JS. Well, everything is written in JS on the web, so you cannot really like choose if you want to do web development. You hate the web or web development? Those are two different things, right? It's pretty chaotic right now. Like you have new framework every year or something, right? And you have like so many layers on top of each other inside. That's just crazy. You have a JavaScript, then you have a jQuery. On top of jQuery, everything else is. It is Angular. It is it's all these frameworks. I think at least Angular for sure. It's on top of the jQuery. Well, yeah. And even if you create like a simple page, you get like a shit ton of data because of that. With no functionality. Oh well, it might be, but I'm afraid that that boat sailed long time ago. But, I'm so happy about this. This is nice. I know how to do it. That's just cool. Just really nice. Add scripts in the website. Yeah, website they shouldn't do anything. They should just be text with some stuff like links. Yeah, but then you couldn't have things like Facebook, right? And you would not be able to have a like you couldn't input shit into it without Facebook. Maybe. Who knows? Ah, 4 letters. What it could be? Maybe in this case. Okay, so let me guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is great or good. Oh, you meant good. Oh, I see. I see. Okay, so this round is over, which is nice. And I feel like going forward, so we will do another one.